Then open page number 28. Following river. बहती नदियाँ. Fill in the boxes to find the rivers. First one is, it is already filled by me. First one is Volga, river Volga. VOLGA, river Volga belongs to Russia. It's a national river of Russia. रूस की राष्ट्रीय नदी है ये. Next one is Nile, river Nile. It belongs to Africa, North Africa, and it's a longest river. Number 3, Indus. Indus belongs to Tibet, चाइना तिब्बत से ये नदी निकलती है. Number 4, गंगा, our national river of India, we can say like this. राष्ट्रीय नदी है भारत की गंगा, जो कि कहाँ से निकलती है? Comes out from Gangotri Glacier from Uttarkashi, which is our home district. Number 5, Thames, THAMES, Thames. Thames belongs to England. Number 6, Amazon. Amazon also largest river of world, Amazon. It belongs to America, South America. Number 7, Yangtze. Yangtze, river Yangtze belongs to चाइना, ये चीन की नदी है प्यारे बच्चों. नंबर 8, जाम्बेजी. जाम्बेजी also belongs to Africa. Number 9, Mississippi. Mississippi is river of United States of America, means it comes from America and followed through it. Number 10, Brahmaputra. Brahmaputra also it comes from Tibet. तिब्बत से ये नदी निकलती है and it follows here in India and also in Bangladesh. So this much is enough. I think you write, you fill in and learn the names of the given rivers. Thank you so much.